Focus on these 5 metrics and you will grow on Instagram. Hello, my name is Meg. The only Instagram post insights that really matter in my opinion are comments, shares, saves, follows, and website clicks. These are all active forms of engagement that tell you what sort of content is actually working for you. Yes, likes are nice to get, and it's the first metric we see on our individual post insights. We get notifications for it, so it's hard to ignore it, but you have to admit that it's an easy action to take. I'm not saying it's not worth anything, but the time spent when liking a piece of content is quite minimal. It's a casual action. All you have to do is double tap and you can do it without thinking. On the other hand, if you can spark a conversation in the comments, it basically means that you caught that person's attention. You were able to stop them from scrolling. If you can get people to share your content, they basically resonated with it so much that they want other people to know about it. If people save your content, it means that they want to reference your post at a later date. They found some sort of value in it. Knowing how many followers you get from each post again allows you to understand what sort of posts are working. It basically tells you what people are wanting from you and enjoying from you. If you can get people to click the link in your bio or your stories, that is a big deal. Because people who are on Instagram to look at Instagram. They don't want to leave Instagram, so to be able to take someone off Instagram, you're doing really great. Yes, I didn't include reach because as much as it is kind of important and I do track it, especially for my monthly insight share videos, we tend to obsess about it a little too much. You see, having a low reach isn't a bad thing and having a high reach doesn't guarantee any growth. You might have a low reach, but if 80% of those people reacted or engaged with the content, that's awesome. On the other hand, if you have a high reach but nobody really showed interest in it, it's not that great. So reach is definitely important, just not as important as the other engagement metrics I said earlier. When you look at your Instagram insights, try to focus on these 5 metrics because it tells you what sort of content you should be creating and posting. Now, Instagram insights, especially the impressions part, is really confusing, so I hope I can help. From hashtags mean that when people search that hashtag, you appeared. Basically, you ranked in hashtags, so you're using the right hashtags. From explore means that people found you on their explore page, so well done and congratulations. From home means on the feed, so your followers saw your post on their actual feed. When they were scrolling their feed, they saw you. The higher this number, the closer it is to your follower count. It means that your followers are seeing your content. Great job. From profile means someone landed on your profile first and then decided to click on your posts. From other can be from shares, so people shared it to their stories or sent it to someone via DM. It can also be from saves, when someone tags you or mentions you and people click on your post. It can also be from people having notifications on or people embedding your post on blogs. Having data is nice and it does help, but when there's too much information, it can be overwhelming. Even 5 is probably a lot to keep up, so focus on 1 at a time. For about a week, study your posts that got the most comments and try to find out why you got so many. Maybe you actually included a call to action, so maybe you asked a question. Maybe you had an unpopular opinion. Maybe you took more time than usual to brush up the content so it's high quality. Maybe you showed your personality a bit more. There's always a reason, so try to find it and implement it in your future posts. And if you want to see some real numbers from my insights, then click this video here. I'll see you there. Happy growing.